What's up, guys? So today we have a special unboxing. Today we are unboxing our SHOPGLD gold chains, a custom one, and iced out watch. So let's get right into this. We got their packaging, some SHOPGLD branded tissue paper. Gotta love that. That's what you're paying for. All right, let's open up this box. We got two boxes in here, and then more tissue paper. All right. So this is box number one. This should be the watch. We'll take this lid off, and then we'll pop this flap forward. Let's take this silk paper out, because screw that. I like this lid, and then it pops out, and then you can just. All right, that's kind of sick. All right, so we have the watch case here. That's a big case for a watch. Is this for Hulk? I don't know. All right, so let's get this open here. Get it on the camera. There goes the fucking receipt. Ooh, baby. So there you have, let's get a light on it here so you can see the ice. Ooh, that's a bad light angle. There you go. Now you can see that iced twinkle. So we've got let me pull this out. This is the adjuster tool so that I can adjust my sizing. This is actually a pretty sick little tool they include with it. I like that they include a sizing tool because some brands are like, screw you. And then two heads for it. And then the watch itself, right there. I went with red because of FaZe Clan. Let's feel this watch and see how she feels. Oh yeah, got a good weight to it. We got the SHOPGLD logo on the back there. Definitely has a really good weight to it. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna rep this watch when I go to any kind of like special occasion. And I like that it has its own like nice little box that I can keep it displayed in.
Tell us about that watch. What kind of watch is it?
This is a SHOPGLD iced out. It's about $600 on their website, and it's a Roman numeral. It's their Roman numeral edition. So it's not like a Rolly or anything like that, but it's my introduction watch to get me into watch collecting. So like 600, 500, 600 bucks. And it is in white plated gold, 14 karat. So nothing crazy, but
That's dope.
you gotta love SHOPGLD. Gotta love SHOPGLD. I like their shit. So now we gotta get into the chains. I'm hoping that this is my custom chain, but sometimes those take longer. So let's see what chain it is here. It's in this little box here. How do you? Oh, it's not slide out. It's like that. All right, we got the little bag in here. We got the GLD bag with the logo on the zipper. Now this was expensive. I think it is. We're not gonna look. We're just gonna grab. Oh yeah, baby. We got the Dake logo, we got the tennis chain, and we've got the Cuban link chain. All right, let's get this Cuban link chain. This Cuban link chain costed me the most out of all the items. This one was like 300 bucks. This choker is too small for my neck, for sure. I don't know. How many inches is this? Yeah, this is too small for my neck for sure. So that I'm gonna have to display. Let's check out the tennis chain. I might have to order an 18-inch. All right, the tennis chain will definitely fit better around my neck. So the tennis chain is iced all around, and this one is a plated, but the Cuban is a solid, so the Cuban is a lot more expensive. And this iced out logo is looking pretty fresh. This is probably my favorite item out of everything that I ordered. Let's get it out of this. It's really packaged well. They put like a whole wrap around it. How the hell do you even get it out of this though? Oh, there we go. Okay. Please come out easy. It has like, like on sunglasses, there's like that little film that like peels off, but it's also a sticker at the same time. That's what this is, but it's on my chain. Oh, there we go. Okay. Now that is sick. There you go.
That's pretty sick.
Yeah. Yes, sir. This was the most expensive item in all of my pickups. And it's got the GLD logo on the back as well, so you know it's not like some bullshit. It's right up top there. But yeah, that ice twinkles perfectly. Let me put this on the. I wonder if I can see this Cuban. I know is not going to fit on my neck for some reason. But like I have a tiny ass neck, so I don't know. Okay, I don't even know how this opens here. Oh, okay. There's two clasps and then a push button. Dude, this does not. There's no way this. Oh, it fits. It's a choker, but it fits. Holy shit. All right, let's get this on. I like it on a Cuban a lot more than on a tennis chain. So I don't know how to fucking put this on, dude. Asher, will you put my necklace on for me? Shit. All right. A good thing I have like a camera here. How the fuck? Okay. I'm gonna get real up close and personal with this here. I don't even know what I'm looking at. Okay, let's see here. So we got boom. This has to go in there. Yeah. Okay.
Fun puzzle included.
Yeah, it includes a puzzle that you can work on. This clasp is ridiculous. I've never put on a Cuban like this. It's because most of the necklaces I have are cheap junk. What in the fuck? How does this even? Oh, idiot alert. How the fuck? Oh, okay. What in the hell? Aha. We have figured it out. There we go. Boom. Okay. It only took 10 years. Now are both clasps on? Yep. Okay. The iced Cuban choker is on. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby.
Ooh,
And I can rep that with the Beauty and Pain, and then I can go all ski mask the Slump God, and I can put this one on too. No, this one is just a simple clasp one. So this one I actually will like applying probably a little more. Let me see. I want to see how much ice Dake can put on in one video. I like these clasp ones a lot more because you just have to pull that little thing back. And I like pulling little things. So, got it. Just like that. So, yeah. Ski Mask the Slump God, baby. What you got? Now I need to fucking take it back off. That's the pain in the ass part of things. I won't be wearing the tennis chain very often just because it's a tennis chain and I don't like to have diamonds, fake diamonds on my neck. Because this one is only like a 14 karat with fake stones. So the tennis chain is a no-go. But like my logo was expensive as fuck. So definitely rep that. Oh, 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 oh. I'll never be a jeweler in my life. So yeah, we got the tennis chain right here. And then we finally got the Dake logo iced out that we can wear and rep in videos. But yeah, that's our shop GLD unboxing. Let's get this tennis chain back in a bag here. I'm thinking about doing a giveaway at some point, and I think the tennis chain could be a part of it because like that's probably the least likely one for me to wear. But the rest of the stuff I'm definitely wearing often. So, but yeah, there's the chains in here, and then we have our our iced out watch right here that is only for special occasions because I'm not going to wear it on military duty because that would be stupid. It's a good way to destroy my watch. But yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. And yeah, let me know what you want to see me unbox next.